clicking on the device, select an empty channel first. After clicking on the channel button, we look at this channel, select it, and there is no small star in front of it. It means it's an empty channel. If there is a star, we need to clear it. After we finish, there will be a star in front of it. After selecting an empty channel, we first need to calibrate. There are 2 steps before flaw detection. One is to calibrate the instrument. The other is to make a DAC curve. We use this CSK1 block for calibration. After we select the channel, click on this calibration first. We first calibrate. After calibration, click on the probe item. These 5 buttons correspond to these 5 grids. After we click on the probe item, select the oblique probe. This is used to detect the seam. This is called an oblique probe. Then the frequency of the probe, the size of the crystal. There are parameters on each probe. We can just enter the parameters according to it. For example, the probe frequency. Press the down key and rotate the dial to adjust. There will be corresponding values on it. For example, 2.5 mHz 13 by 13 is the lens size. K2 is the angle. After we adjust the probe parameters, click on the second item, zero slice. After clicking on the second one, we call this scale first. While calling the scale, we also measure its leading edge. If we call it zero slice, is the side of this stone. It is a concentric circle with a radius of 50 and 100. We first stick the probe in front of the center, and stick it parallel to the edge, and then move it forward slowly. We can see 2 waves on the screen. The small wave is the reflection wave of the 50 side. The large wave behind is the reflection wave of the 100. After finding these two waves, normally we adjust the range to 150 before. Then, after finding these 2 waves, adjust the gate. The gate is these 2 green lines. First, adjust the solid line, which is useful. We adjust one gate to this wave. Then press the gate key and switch the other one to solid line. This GURM is actually used to adjust its left and right positions. Adjust the other GURM to this wave. After adjusting, we can see the smaller one move. Find its highest slope position. Move the probe back and forth. For example, this position is the highest. After finding it, click Focus. Return to the zero slice. Move the cursor to the zero slice. Click on the appeal item. Press the down key and click the enter key, and directly correct it. After calibration, we need to measure the distance from the probe tip to this large circle. For example, if we measure 88, the front edge is 100 minus 88. For example, if you measure 87, then the front edge is 100 minus 87. I measured 88. The front edge is 100 minus 88 equals 13. We click on the probe item. Enter 13 at the front of the probe. And press 12. Then this zero slice is corrected. After correction, the next step is to measure the angle. The angle is the surface of the stone. We select the K2 scale. First, align the probe with the K to scale. A wave will appear on the screen. Then move it back and forth. Find the highest echo of the wave. If the waveform exceeds the screen, click on the automatic gain to adjust it down. After finding the highest echo, adjust the gate. Lock the solid gate line to the wave. Then go back to the angle. In the angle section, move the cursor to the angle measurement. Then click the enter key. Calibration completed. Then the angle is measured. So there are only 2 steps for calibration. 1 is zero offset. After 0 offset, enter the front edge. The other is to calibrate the angle. That's all for calibration. We have finished.